Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets Typeform integration. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to automatically send all your form responses directly into a Google Sheet, saving you the hassle of manually exporting data every time you need to review submissions. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Typeform dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed. Here, you need to locate the specific form you want to export data from. Simply click on the name of that form to open it. This will take you directly into the form's workspace where you can manage all aspects of that particular form. Now that you're inside the form's workspace, look for the option labeled Connect at the top of the screen, click on it, and you'll see a variety of integration options available. From this list, find Google Sheets and click Connect next to it. This is where the magic happens, connecting your Typeform responses directly to a spreadsheet. At this stage, you'll need to link your Google account if you haven't already done so. Since my Typeform account is already connected to Google Sheets, I can simply choose my account from the drop-down menu that appears. However, if this is your first time setting up this integration, you'll be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account by logging in with your Google credentials. This step ensures that Typeform has the necessary permissions to create and update spreadsheets on your behalf. Once your account is connected, you'll see two options. You can either create a new sheet specifically for this form, or use an existing sheet if you prefer to consolidate data. For this tutorial, click on Create New Sheet to keep things organized and separate. Next, you'll be asked to type in a name for your spreadsheet. Choose something descriptive that will help you easily identify which form the data belongs to. After entering your spreadsheet name, click Create Sheet. This will generate a new Google Sheet in your Google Drive with all the necessary columns matching your form fields. Finally, to complete the integration, click Activate Integration. This is the crucial final step that enables the automatic flow of data from your Typeform to your Google Sheet. From this point forward, every new response submitted through your form will automatically populate in your spreadsheet in real time. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets. Your form responses will now be automatically organized and ready for analysis whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.